So let's review the use of the cube root button. Let's say that we're going to take the cube root of 8. If we want to take the cube root of 8, we have to actually enter the information into the calculator appropriately. So let's start. First of all, we are going to be using a button that looks like this. That button is a second function, and it's in purple, and it's located right where my pencil point is. In order to turn it on, we have to use the second button key. Now, let's think about this for a minute though. There is a variable here. We need to be able to tell the calculator that we need a 3 placed in the position of the x because we want the calculator to take the cube root. Cube means 3, the cube root of 8. So this is going to look a little different than taking the square root. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the 3 first of all, and we're going to say to the calculator, please put it into this x spot, substitute it in there. So what I've done is I pushed the 3, and I wanted to turn on the cube root button. Let's push the second, and then that root button, and the 3 is going to be moved into the position of the x by the calculator. You're not going to see it, but the calculator will do it. And I'm going to push the 8. So this says I need the cube root of 8. Push equals, and I get 2. Let's try another one. Let's try the cube root of 64. So clear your screen. And again, we're going to be using this root button. So it's right here. First thing we're going to do is say, okay, I want the cube root, and the cube root is a 3. Means we're going to be using a 3 in the spot for that x. Second function, root button. So we're telling the calculator, please put the 3 in for the x. Substitute it in there. Take the cube root of 64, and my answer is 4. Should we double check that to make sure it's right? Well, let's take 4 times 4 times 4, and hopefully we'll get this 64, and we do.